Karbi Students Association submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong on 10 September. Interdenominational Churches Football Knockout Tournament concludes at Langtibuk Sartheteron Playground on 10 September. Unidentified dead body of a person recovered at Taralangso Ingleng village under Dongkamakam police outpost on 10 September. Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. On 10 September, Karbi Students Association organized one-day awareness campaign rally on anti-drugs and anti-social activity at West Karbi Anglong and submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong through officer in charge of Keroni Police Station. Under the initiative of Karbi Students Association, as many as hundreds of students from 5 different schools under Keroni participated at the awareness campaign rally. The participants assembled at Keroni High School playground at around 11 a.m. The students started to march for the rally. Several slogans like "Say no to drugs," "Stop all kinds of antisocial activities" were chanted out throughout the campaign. Samson Teron, president of Karbi Students Association, while speaking to us, informed that they had initiated this awareness program due to unceasing number of drug users found in and around Keroni town and Karbi Anglong district as a whole. Hence, they had initiated the rally by putting forward 3 major demands. Firstly, to search and apprehend all the drug users, dealers and drug peddlers hiding in Karbi Anglong as per law and order. Secondly, to ban all the sales of tobacco-related products at markets, shops and commercial places. And thirdly, to bring an end to all the antisocial elements and antisocial activities taking place at the region.
Awareness program is to pidunde pultangte non kibang gilango sumara tuma bangke an suse kamang ko mangrampen drugs se chopai banang babom tahai lasu matha ben sinil tuma hinpen jasumet pet tini DC aphan itung kapin pura bang kala hilo anti drugs lapen anti social activities lasu ke bat pi galong alang itung pen law and order ahin pelang kun chirab rap prap jin pen lasu kan kirchek je phana bang ne tuma hin pen tuning ripono.
Mr. Teron also informed that KSA had always been vocal against the usage of drugs. Several memorandums had been submitted to the concerned authority regarding drugs and antisocial activities. Karbi Students Association had always been vocal against drugs in the past, vocal against drugs now, and shall always be vocal against drugs in the coming days.
Jasemet pet drugs ke chua puta ke Karbi lo chale song to comment tu neta kroi kre letung students community tu dia posi leletum me thang ban satame a holong ba nep dun check ko police tum ban thonam ko kuson tan tum long evidence dolo.
Mohan Teron's report from Keroni, Karbi Anglong Live. The knockout tournament began from 3rd September and had came to a conclusion on 10 September. 9 teams from different denominational churches had taken part in this interdenominational churches football knockout tournament. The knockout tournament was an initiative of Langtibuk Baptist Church Youth Department held at Langtibuk Sartheteron Playground, where a total of 9 teams from different denominational churches had participated at the tournament. The final match was played on 10 September between Believers Eastern Church and Langtibuk Garo Baptist Church. Believers Eastern Church dominated the game and scored 4 goals against Langtibuk Garo Baptist Church. Langtibuk Garo Baptist Church managed to score only 2 goals against them. The final match concluded with a total score of 4-2. Hence, Believers Eastern Church clinched the victory title of the tournament. Silas Basumatari, winner of Dance Karbi Anglong Dance Junior category, performed his dance to grace final match of the tournament. Sunaram Singnar, Chairman VDC, attended as a chief guest of the final match. Pastors and several dignitaries attended the event. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilay, Karbi Anglong Live. On 10 September, one unidentified dead body of a man was recovered from a rubber farming area of Taralangso Ingleng village under Dongkamukam police outpost, West Karbi Anglong. The locals informed that it was around 6 a.m. in the morning. While they were taking out their cattle for grazing at the ground, they sensed a nauseating smell coming from the rubber farming zone. Upon looking through it, they discovered a semi-rotten body of a man. It was reported that the deceased person is expected to be 45 years old, but his identity and whereabouts are yet to find out. Dongkamukam police reached the spot and took control over the matter. Police informed that the body was discovered by the villagers somewhere in between Rubber Farm and Taralangso Ingleng village. So far, no information is available to identify the body as well as to find out the cause of his death. It will be known once the investigation starts. Now let us hear from the villagers of Taralangso Ingleng village what they wanted to say regarding the incident.
Baji trok se lom he ka he makam siklem tang long pare chanong chikok dam lo ma men thu pulo pitong men thu ni puma lang dam long par ke munit ki thi thek long pop la he.
Vicky's base report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.